Follow and subscribe Stenolab India for correct pronunciation, accurate speed and clear voice. Pitman Shorthand Instructor Book Dictation. Exercise number 118. Get ready for the dictation. Start. Irrespective. Entirely. Of the. Different. Views. Of the. Respective. Parties. To the. Discussion. I am. Compelled. To. Consider the. Possible. Results. Of the. Obstructive. Course. Taken. By the Council. There can be. No doubt. That the. Objective. Would be. More. Easily. Attained. If these. Merely. Destructive. Methods. Were. Abandoned. They. Can. Only. Be. Productive. Of mischief. In the. Case. Of. Prospective. Candidates. For. Admission. To the. Society. And this. Whether. We. Consider the. Matter. Prospectively. Or retrospectively. A retrospective. Examination. Will. Show. What has. Occurred. In the. Past. In. Similar. Circumstances. And. A prospective. Consideration. Will. Show. What is. Likely. To. Occur. In the. Future. If the. Respective. Parties. Are. Allowed. To. Follow. Their. Own. Merely. Obstructive. Ideas. Each. Will be. Destructive. Of the. Other. And will. Certainly. Act destructively. No matter. What. Each. May. Say. They. Should be. Instructed. To. Consider. Respectively. And. Collectively. The. Effects. Of the. Present. Methods. And. Advised. To refuse. Them. Stop.